from us that today, let it be this. Sometimes you don't know what you like and someone you trust. Sometimes you don't.
I'm a minor, sir. Chill out. They're only going to us.
You picked me.
I swear.
Right, exactly.
I'm telling you.
Right.
I just told them two white hoes. I said I'm gonna complain on you because you're only sending them after us.
It's only us.
And they're using the Latino boy. I'm sorry to do so.
Right. The only black.
Us.
Let's see.